Shankarnarayana Cashews are for constantly inspired innovations. Shankarnarayana Cashews is a growing cashew processor, exporter, and one of the leading domestic and global players in the market, focusing on constant innovation and ideas with culture to differentiate ourselves in the marketplace. In 2011, Shankarnarayana Cashews was established as a partnership firm at Kroda Belur, Kundapura Taluk, Udupi District, Karnataka State, India, with the surroundings of the lush green vicinity in the rural area. Mr. H. Shashidhar Shetty is a self-made man exhibiting the extreme endurance to build his empire, with great determination, despite his difficulties. With the saga of his working experience for a decade, he started his venture with great conviction. He garnered knowledge and business practices with his rich experiences and modernized the setup with advanced technology, machinery, and a trained workforce that has resulted in new beginnings for SNC branded cashews. Mrs. Mithila S. Shetty, being a BCom graduate and partner, has contributed value to the company. Her insights and support have influenced the growth of the company and step towards success. At Shankarnarayana Cashews, our employees are not just members of staff, but also partners who share our vision. We support our teammates, regardless of their gender, and appreciate an individual with innovative ideas and intelligent practices. Shankarnarayana Cashews has a logistics and supply chain team and operations for transporting finished products and connecting employees to the factory. The cashew process operation begins with drying to remove moisture under the sun for 2 or 3 days. Raw cashews are passed through a cleaning line through water by machine and sent for roasting. The roasting process happens through a boiler and cooker. While roasting, cashews get roasted with high pressure and temperature steam. The roasted cashews are kept for 1 day for cooling in the bins and pass through sizing machines and get separated into different sizes. We use automated machines for the cutting of roasted cashews. Kernels are separated manually by the team if required. These operations ensured a minimum of broken kernels. Cashew kernels get heated to 80 to 90 degrees centigrade in the hot chambers to eliminate moisture and gums to produce quality outputs. We control temperature accurately while processing the kernels. During the peeling process, the coating is blanched by an automatic machine that removes the husk and uses a small knife to remove the coats if required. The peeling process ensures minimum damage to the cashew kernels. As technologies are advanced, we use automatic machines due to the unique shape of the kernels. Nano sorter machines separate the different varieties and segregate the color and quality of kernels. While the process of grading, the cashew kernels get separated through advanced sorter according to their size, color, appearance, etc. are more than 62 grades of cashews with perfect outputs. Our manual team gives the final touches for perfection and quality. The hot chamber with moisture removal process carried for the quality of the kernels. Before packing, cashew kernels get processed through a cleaning line for the removal of foreign particles. Before packing, kernels get fumigated and low-quality kernels get removed. Packaging is a way to protect the product and facilitate marketing and distribution to the end consumers. We follow the methods of advanced packaging procedures that hold good shelf lives of our products with quality and durations. Cashew nuts are delicious kidney-shaped seeds gotten from tropical cashew trees. Apart from being incredibly healthy, they boast high amounts of plant compounds for weight loss and improved blood sugar levels. Cashew's nutrient-dense attribute has associated it with so many mind-blowing health benefits. Thank you for watching our saga and official journey as steps towards success.